If you guys follow me on my social media, you people know, right? Last week we went to Delhi for a launch event. Sony's all new 1000XM5 TWS India launch. So this is like a flagship level TWS from the company, and it's like an upgrade and successor to their already existing 1000XM4 TWS. Now this was already available in the international market since a couple of months, quite some time, and I was like very eagerly waiting. Arey yaar, when will it come to Indian market? I want to get my hands on it. And finally, when the brand sent out an invited all of us creators to the event, I was like super hyped and excited to check out the product. So we went over there. It was a great event, and we got to check out the product as well physically, got my hands on it, and got to meet the entire Sony team as well. Superb event, guys. And after that, we came back to my home, and once I got back over here, Sony surprised us with something over here, guys. A mystery package from the brand. Look at this. Now I have certain bit of idea what might be inside this. I mean, clearly you can see 1000XM5 branding on the packaging, but why 1000XM5 ka packaging is only this much? Why is this mystery package so huge? What else might be inside it? Now that is making me pretty curious, guys. So without wasting any more time, we'll get started with the unboxing, and obviously apart from that, I'll give my complete review as well on the product. You'll get full information talking about its main highlights, what new features are there, and also the pricing as well. Let's get started with the video. So this is that mystery package Sony has sent us. I have no clue what might be inside over here, though I do have a little idea that we have the brand new 1000XM5. Obviously it is mentioned on the package as I've told you just now. Let's quickly unzip it and actually solve this mystery. Okay, looks like there is a big black box over here with the Sony branding on it. Okay, Sony, you guys are hyping it now. Let's quickly open it and check out the contents. Okay, look at this. Sony has actually sent us some goodies over here. It says further music. And look at this, very interesting stuff. And guys, this is the main hero of the video. This is what we've been actually waiting for, right? They're all new flagship level TWS WF series 1000XM5. That too in black color. Keeping that aside, look at this. These guys actually sent us a brand new water bottle. My mom actually loves these sort of goodies. I think she has a collection of around like 40-50 bottles, guys, at my home. So she'll definitely be happy adding one more to her collection. Keeping that aside, look at this. We also got like a Sony branded pen. Okay, these are like very cool stuff. This is not something you might actually find in the market, right? So kind of like limited edition, I would say. And lastly, we also got like a diary over here. Now guys, to be honest, where were all of these when I was doing school and college? Now I'm getting all of this. What should I do with so many 2023 diaries? Anyways, keeping all the goodies aside, now let's actually focus on the main product that we've been waiting for. Sony's all new WF series 1000XM5. It came in this sort of compact box packaging and mentions a lot of features over here. Main highlight is that noise cancellation, guys, battery life as well, and it says 360 reality audio, high resolution wireless support, and plenty of smart features as well. So this year's 1000XM5 packs so many upgrades, especially in audio segment, noise cancellation segment, and smart features segment. Keeping that aside, let's quickly get started with the unboxing. The package opens up somewhat like this, and it says 1000X series over here. And there you go, boys, our much awaited 1000XM5 in the hand. So these TWS are actually available in two different colors. You get black edition and platinum silver. We have the black edition right now. And there you go, boys, our very first hands on, and look at the product. Oh wow, initial impressions, they're kind of small. Keeping that aside, you also get some accessories as well, which include a Type-C cable for charging and lots of sets of ear tips. You get from super small to large size, and that too, these are memory foam ear tips. And lastly, in this accessory box, you get some paperwork, which also includes a 360 reality audio free trial service. So that's it. These are all the stuff we got in the package. Now let me give you like a closer look at the product and talk about the design and build quality. Initial impressions, case is a lot smaller compared to the previous gen, almost like 15% smaller in size, and it weighs only around like 39 grams. And look at this, it has an entire matte black finishing with a copperish gold Sony logo at the top side, and it doesn't seem to attract any sort of fingerprints on the usage. On the front side, you have a tiny status LED indicator, and at the back you're actually having a Bluetooth pair-in button and also a Type-C port for charging. And here you go, as soon as you open it, our very first look at the 1000XM5 TWS earbuds. Oh wow, I love these copperish gold accents, and look at the whole design. It's completely different than the previous gen. And as usual, magnetic contacts are there, and I kind of like the whole feel over here, guys. Good build quality, I can say, top notch. Case closes firmly over here, and obviously it's like a flagship level stuff, so there's nothing less to expect. And initial impressions, very beautiful looking stuff, definitely looks premium for the price point. You're getting a two-tone color scheme. You're having like 70% of the area covered in a glossy black finish, and the top touch area is covered in a matte black finish. 1000XM5 offers lots of smart features and gestures. I'll talk about all of these in the video, stay tuned for that. And if you talk about the build quality, just like the case, even the build quality of the earbuds is nice, and each of these earbuds is like very light in the hand. Each of them weigh only around like 5.9 grams, so we'll definitely talk about the comfort part as well during the review. And wait a second, let me also quickly show you the platinum silver edition as well. So Sony actually sent the black one for me and platinum silver for my dad. This is how the platinum silver looks like, but honestly in person now it kind of looks like whitish gray finish, guys. You know, cream whitish gray, that is what it kind of looks to me in person. Which one did you guys like? Let me know in the comment section down below. Anyways, what I'll do is I'll quickly set them up, use them for some time, and then be right back to continue this video. Alright guys, it's been a couple of days. I've been using Sony's brand new 1000XM5 TWS, and there is a lot I'll be talking about in this video. Especially I'll have to talk about the upgraded noise cancelling performance, the new dynamic driver X, and also lots of smart features as well. First of all, let me give you a closer look at the product and actually talk about the comfort and in-ear feel. I've told you now, you're getting a new ergonomic design. Entire look and feel is only different compared to the last gen, and they're much more smaller and compact. They fit quite nicely in my ears and offer a very comfortable experience even on longer periods of session. And good thing is the fit is also quite stable, so even if you're doing a bit of action, you're walking around, right, earbuds do not fall off that easily. And one more great thing I'll have to talk about are those new ear tips. So unlike the previous gen, here Sony has upgraded the ear tips to memory foam ear tips. And thing with memory foam ear tips is they automatically expand according to the shape of your ear, so there are no sort of leakages, guys. Offers superior noise isolation compared to your regular silicone ear tip, so that is definitely a plus point. And apart from your regular noise isolation, TWS also has like active noise cancellation. It's got around like 6 microphones on board, 3 on each earbuds, and offers superior noise cancellation performance. We'll come there and talk about the noise cancellation in a moment, but before that, first of all, let's dive in and talk about the audio quality part and also the driver used on board. Sony's 1000XM5 feature a brand new dynamic driver X. So previously on the 1000XM4 you had a 6mm driver. Now they've actually entirely updated the whole thing with a brand new 8.4mm driver. So they've actually increased the size of the driver to increase the bass and low frequency response. So that is obvious. When you increase the size of the driver, you'll obviously get like much better low frequency response. But a lot of people do not know that if you increase the size of the driver, right, your high frequency response will also decrease. And Sony didn't want that to happen, and to avoid that, they've increased the tightness of the diaphragm on the driver, guys. They've used like different sort of mix of materials and actually achieved this, guys. So you'll have to hand it out to Sony's R&D team for creating this brand new dynamic driver which offers wider frequency response on both the lower end and higher end as well. And as I've told you, I've been using these TWS for the last couple of days, and sound quality on them is like superb, guys. Like seriously, I've seen and reviewed so many TWS in the recent times, and this is one of the finest TWS that Sony has made in 2023. Audio quality on the 1000XM5 was excellent. Mids felt crisp and clear, and vocal clarity was nice. I could easily hear and understand all the dialogues no matter what sort of content I was watching, either it be like songs on Spotify or even like movies or web series on Netflix. You'll have like a total blast over here. Talking about the high frequency response, I've told you, right, they've increased the tightness of the diaphragm on the driver, and because of this it was producing like excellent high frequency response. And coming to the bass over here was totally next level, all thanks to that much larger 8.4mm dynamic driver X. Low frequency response is the main highlight over here, guys. It was producing warm and mellow bass and had a solid kick in the bass, especially if you're watching content like bomb blasts or maybe like gun firing scenes, right? Excellent bass it was producing. On the overall, now I was like very happy and satisfied with the performance. Now obviously this is like a flagship level TWS from the brand, right? There's nothing less you can expect over here. And one more thing I've observed is sound stage is much much wider on the new 1000XM5, and distortion is also like very minimum, even if you go up to like 90-95% of the volume level, and audio output is also like pretty loud and sufficient. Keeping that aside, Headphones Connect app also has lots of other features as well, which I would definitely recommend you to install on your phone to access them. It supports something known as DSEE Extreme. DSEE stands for Digital Sound Enhancement Engine and is Sony's upscaling technology widely found on their premium audio products. It upscales the audio of low quality compressed files, maybe like MP3 or maybe like low quality streaming subscriptions, as high as up to 24-bit 96 kHz using AI, and greatly enhances the experience. You can easily toggle this using Headphones Connect app. You might even ask about the audio codec support, right? 1000XM5 supports SBC, AAC, LC3, and even LDAC support is there as well for high-res audio over Bluetooth. Though for this, your smartphone also needs to support LDAC, so keep that in mind. Now let's talk about the main element of this product, guys. How is the active noise cancellation performance? And as I've told you, 1000XM5 features 6 microphones on board, 3 on each earbud, including dual feedback mics. Plus, you're also getting new and improved dual processors this time that take care of 24-bit audio processing and high quality analog amplification. And noise cancellation over here is excellent, guys. Next level is what I can say. Noise cancellation can be easily activated using your touch button on your left earbud. Simply tap on that and you can either switch between ambient mode or even like noise cancellation mode. Ambient mode lets you hear what is actually happening around your surroundings. It basically gives you like an awareness. Say suppose you want to talk to somebody, or you're maybe sitting in a railway station, you don't want to miss out any announcement, right? There you can activate ambient sound mode to get that experience, and you can even customize how much level of ambience you want to hear using Headphones Connect app. So it's totally up to you. And apart from that, if you talk about the active noise cancellation, so compared to the previous gen, Sony says that this time they've offered up to like 20% improved noise cancelling effect. So basically, noise cancellation is used to cut down any sort of unnecessary background sounds or low frequency sounds. So maybe you're having some sort of fan noise in your room, or maybe like AC sound is there, or low frequency hum, or maybe some sort of low frequency construction sounds happening in your ally. When you enable noise cancellation, it'll try to cut down all of these so you can purely enjoy music or any sort of content on your headphones. And noise cancellation effect over here was really good, guys. I've seen and reviewed so many noise cancelling TWS, and this is one of the finest experience you can get, guys. Money can buy, that is what I can say. Though again, I've also used the 1000XM5 headphones, and that is literally the king of noise cancellation is what I can say right now in 2023 market. So don't expect that level of experience over here, but again, in the category of TWS, this will offer you like really good results. And apart from that, Sony has also added option for speak to chat. So this was usually found on their premium headphones. So whenever you're using these noise cancellation features, right, and suppose you want to talk to somebody, you simply need to start talking and it will automatically enable ambient mode so you can better hear and understand what the other person is saying. And lastly, you're also getting some new head gesture controls as well. For example, you're listening to music and you suddenly get a call, right? That time you either need to touch the earbud or maybe like answer it through the phone on most of the other earbuds. Here you don't need to do that. You don't even need to touch anything. Simply do like a head gesture, nod like this, and it'll answer and pick up the call. Or if you want to reject it, simply do a nod gesture like this, and that's it. It'll cancel the call. Very useful and innovative features, I felt actually. We're almost coming to the last phase of the review, right? But before that, let me actually share my experience with the call quality. You're getting lots of microphones over here, but Sony has went with a completely different technology. They are using bone conduction technology. These earbuds have some sensors which will actually detect vibrations of your speech that are actually traveling to your skull bones, and it will pick up that, and there's actually like an AI neural engine running over here that will separate the speech pattern from any sort of disturbances, background noise, or stuff like that, and it will give only that audio to the person hearing on the other end, guys. So you'll clearly hear only your sound. And let me tell you, overall call quality experience was like really good, I would say. Other person could clearly hear and understand what I was speaking, and I also had no issues hearing that person. And even if you're using these earbuds in outdoor situation also, what happens usually in outdoor situations is when wind blows, now there is a lot of wind disturbance, I would say. So this time they've actually made some design changes as well. So they've added like a wind noise reduction structure, basically like a mesh in front of the microphone, so it will reduce any sort of wind noise disturbances hitting the microphone, so the other person could clearly hear what you're saying. Now finally, let me tell you about the battery life experience as well. If you use it with noise cancellation, it will be different. If you use it without noise cancellation, you'll get some other results. So with the noise cancellation, these earbuds will offer you around like 7 to 7.5 hours of battery life per charge. But not to worry, the case also has like built-in battery and can charge your earbuds up to 2 times extra. So totally per charge you can expect around like 22 to 23 hours of battery life, guys. Good battery life is what I can say. And yes, you're also getting quick charge support as well. So a simple 3-minute charge will offer you 60 minutes of music playback. What more can you ask for? And best part is the case also supports wireless charging using key technology. So if your phone has like wireless charging, then you can simply paste this charging case at the back of your phone and bam, it will charge your earphones or earbuds anywhere on the go. Very useful feature, I would say. Well, that is pretty much it, guys. Our video on Sony's brand new WF series 1000XM5. These are one of the best sounding and also best noise cancelling TWS. I've used it till now in 2023. Beautiful looking design. Love both the color options, and they're also very comfortable because they're super lightweight. Only thing if I had to nitpick is, since they're a bit small in size and have glossy surface, I felt they were a bit slippery, guys, during usage, and also attract fingerprints. You might have to keep cleaning them once in a while. These earbuds are set to go on sale for around 24,990 rupees in the Indian market, and right now they are up for pre-order up to 15th of this month. So you're also getting some special bonus offers also from Sony's side. They're offering up to like 3,000 rupees cashback plus a free Bluetooth speaker from Sony. So this offer is valid only if you pre-order it within this period up to 15th. After that, you'll not get the cashback offer nor the free speaker. So if you're planning to buy something like this, right now is the best time, guys. I'll leave links for that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it. Time to wrap it up. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video and found it full informative and useful. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.